Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the TalkBack feature on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So this feature basically provides a spoken feedback whenever you tap on the screen, and it will read everything aloud that's on the screen. So to enable this feature, all you have to do is open settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select additional settings, and then scroll down and tap on accessibility, and then within the accessibility, tap on vision, and then you should see the TalkBack option. Simply tap on it. And now to enable this feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the toggle switch icon next to the use TalkBack option. So tap on it, and then you'll be prompted to allow any permissions that may appear. So this service will perform these actions, and then you can read through all the actions. So to proceed, simply tap on allow.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 6. Talk 26%. Readjustment.
And from here, it will read everything that is available on the screen. So you can read through all this. You can read through all this to be familiar with how to operate the TalkBack. Once you're done, simply tap on finish, double tap on finish, and then be asked, have you finished reviewing this information? If you want to keep reviewing, you can double tap on that option, or you can simply double tap on finish to confirm you're finished reading. And there you go. You have successfully enabled TalkBack on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.